to achieve, but hatred and shit talk is all they receive. Fucking we make it when we have no supporters. Everybody broadcasting, talking like they reporters. Half the shit that I hear just makes me laugh. I don't understand how people can believe they're trash. Now, enough with that, I want y'all to think back about them own people living here in the past. They didn't know much, but they did what they could, put they all into it. That's why we living so good. They didn't know English and they didn't know math, but they still made it through no matter what the task. How they did it? Well, they stood together, something we don't do nowadays, cause we kill each other. Why's that? True fact is, we hate our own kind. When we see somebody rise, we want them to fall behind. Only want yourself to make it, but check the mirror. I am one of you, so make your visions clearer. Next time you see me doing my thing, you can hate all you want, but you better be ashamed of yourself, cause you hating on them own voice. I'm repping for your peoples and I'm repping by choice. Man, it takes a lot of effort to go and do that. I could've done anything, but I chose to do rap, just so the world can see my peoples differently. We don't say change song, and we speak English fluently. You will see the rap of this movement. Only time will tell, so till then let's do this on my own peoples. Come on, let's go. The harder you push, the sooner we will flow. And it's the fact that I even care. Putting time to make this track for your peoples out there. So take this and keep this.